Looking for a magnetic bottle opener? Our kitchen appliance experts bought and tested the top 5 best magnetic bottle opener available in 2021 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect bottle opener for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5 on our list. We have the HQY 3-pack heavy-duty stainless steel flat bottle opener. These bottle openers are a full 7 inches long. Their long length even makes bottle opening easier for people with small hands, so you'll never again have to feel bad about asking your wife to get you a beer. Because it is great for professional bartenders or home use. These handheld flat bottle openers are made of stainless steel, making them durable enough to keep the tops popping off for years to come. This tool is easy to handle and precisely the right tool for the job. Each opening end is a different shape to accommodate various types of bottles. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Starting at number 4 on our list. We have the keychain bottle opener. Every party and camping trip needs a premium bottle opener from Bar Buddies. If you've ever been to a college party or out in the woods camping, you know that one of the most important tools you can have is a bottle opener. Whether you're sharing sodas, beer, or just need to open a can of beans, it's pretty difficult when you don't have one on you. That's why we created premium aluminum alloy bottle openers that fit right on your keychain. Small enough to fit in your pocket, there's not an adventure in the world that's too big for our durable opener. And whether you stick on your keys, in your car, or just have it around the house, you'll find multiple reasons to use our bottle opener. Features and benefits. Opens bottles, cans and more. Easy to use. Aluminum alloy. Comes in 8 different colors. Strong, durable and versatile. Lightweight and compact. Click add to cart above and get yours today. At number 3 on our list. We have the OXO Steel stainless steel bottle and can opener. This bottle opener has a durable brushed stainless steel body. One end is a pop top and the other is a church key style opener. It's equipped with a soft grip and is dishwasher safe. Sleek lines, soft curves and brushed stainless steel bring function and style to the OXO Steel bottle opener. The bottle opener has 2 functional ends, one for opening bottles and the other for punching cans. Soft, non-slip grip. At number 2 on our list. We have the Norpro Brown Can Punch bottle opener. This bottle opener is equipped with a hardwood handle and functions as a bottle and can opener. It measures 5.75 inches and has a heavy-duty construction. Norpro offers a huge selection of high-quality, durable products to make all your baking easier and more efficient. Whether you're baking savory or sweet, Norpro has you covered. Make meal prep easier with Norpro's kitchen tools, gadgets and cookware. Equip your kitchen with necessities like measuring cups and spoons, mixing bowls, colanders and kitchen utensils. For the home cook to the professional chef, Norpro's cookware and accessories are perfect for everyday use. Whatever your food passion, from canning to grilling, Norpro has the essentials to make every task easier. Everything you need to help simplify any kitchen task. Create the perfect pick-me-up drink with coffee, tea and wine accessories from Norpro. Our selection of drink essentials make beverage preparation simple, and finally at number 1 on our list. We have the 3-pack heavy-duty stainless steel flat bottle opener. These bottle openers come in a 3-pack and are made of stainless steel with a vinyl rubber coating. They measure 7 inches long and 1.5 inches wide. They include a hole for hanging. These hand-held flat bottle openers are made of stainless steel, making them durable. Each opening end is a different shape to accommodate various types of bottles, vinyl rubber coated and sealed for extra protection. Comes in 7-inch length. These hand-held flat bottle openers are made of stainless steel, making them durable. Each opening end is a different shape to accommodate various types of bottles. Slim design fits effortlessly into your pocket, and the spinner ring lets you rip this thing out faster. Great for professional bartenders as well. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.